You begin with what is acknowledged throughout the world as the finest all-around business jet ever built. An aircraft that literally does everything well, and does it with a cabin much roomier than anything else in its class. The question is, what do you do for an encore? The answer is this. The Citation Ultra Encore. It's everything that made the Ultra great, plus a good deal more. New engines deliver 10% more thrust and 16% better specific fuel consumption. The new trailing link gear provides smoother touchdown and taxi. With the addition of this final soft touch, the Encore is more than ever the absolute ultimate in its class, both in the air and on the runway. Another improvement is the wing's heated leading-edge anti-icing system. It's something pilots have asked for, and it's something the Encore delivers, improving both the operation as well as the aesthetics of the aircraft. Instead of the master cylinder braking system of the original Ultra, the new Encore employs a pushrod braking system, which provides smoother operation and improves pedal feel. We've moved the annunciator panel from the instrument panel to the glare shield, which enhances visibility and reduces panel clutter. It also contributes to greater consistency among the various Citation models, many of which feature a glare shield mounted annunciator panel. The new Encore features automatic pressurization control instead of the old manual control. And the new electrical J-box is easier to maintain than the old one. These and a number of other improvements are examples of our dedication to providing operators with the very best. Even when it means taking what is already the very best and making it better. The Ultra already had the longest and most comfortable cabin of any light jet. It already offered as standard the most advanced avionics package in its class. It provided the category's best all-around combination of speed, climb, range, takeoff, and landing performance. And it had proven itself on every inhabited continent on Earth as one of the world's top 2 bestsellers every year of its existence. Today, the Citation Ultra Encore is all these things and considerably more. It really is the Encore presentation of perhaps the greatest performer in business jet history.